Hello everybody, my name is Jack, and today I'm going to be blowing my Lunkenheimer 2-inch single chime whistle. I got this from a guy who had a shop, and inside the shop was plenty of steam-powered vehicle parts and that kind of thing. So I was looking at a traction engine he had in there, and he then went upstairs and got me this whistle from his collection of parts. And he just gave it to me. And it came on a stand, too, but that's over there. And it was on a little bit of pipe, painted black, but no air could get through it. So we just took it off that, mounted it to this, and hooked it up with plenty of piping and this valve so we could run it off of our air compressor and blow it to see what it sounded like. And it ended up sounding really good. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like. You might want to turn down your computer or phone volume, because this is pretty loud. This is made by the company Lunkenheimer. They also make 1-inch whistles and 3-inch whistles. They make 3 chime whistles, all kinds of different whistles. And I think they make other parts too. I don't remember where exactly they're from, but I think it was Switzerland or Germany or something like that. And this one sounds really good. I've seen videos of 3-inch whistles sound a lot lower. But this one I think sounds just great. So now I'm going to show you some of my other stuff. I also have 2 of these. These are signs from the 1920s, and they're made of porcelain and metal, and they're to stop people working on the railroad from moving a train with tank cars connected to tubing so they don't spill fuel everywhere. Or milk, if it was that kind of tank car. This is a baggage car. I don't know what time this is from. But it has some writing on it. I can't really make it out because it's kind of worn down from being bumped into things and from age. I'm inside now, right on top of the layout. These are 2 stock certificates for the New York Central Railroad and the Pierre Marquette Railroad. They are both from the 1920s, and they're both for 100 chairs. I got them for Christmas in 2018. Then this is a puzzle I built, not the actual issue, but I framed it above the layout. It's the January 1949 issue of Popular Mechanics magazine. And it says 100 years of the Iron Horse, because that's what it was celebrating. So there's a New York Central engine right there, real good looking. And an older engine. It looks a lot like Planet. So that's my train stuff, all my old train memorabilia. Since those were above the layout, I decided to show the layout. I'm working on it now, and it will need some work before it can work properly, because all the tracks are completely filthy, and the wires aren't staying in place right. But I will be getting that fixed soon. So that'll be the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go check out some of my other videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!